Today we're taking a look at the Soundcore P20i earbuds. These are some of the most affordable earbuds that Soundcore do. Let's have a look if they're any good for the tiny price tag. The case is a nice, sleek, simple design, and it has the Soundcore icon on the top. It has a little LED at the front to indicate charging, and it has the charging port around the rear of the case. It's just the right size to fit in your pocket. The earbuds themselves have a nice, sleek design matching the case. They look good and they feel good in the ear. They're even comfortable after a long period of time. They're also IPX5, which means they're water resistant. They can put up with sweat and a light shower of rain. In the box you get multiple size silicone tips. They cater for all ear sizes. Battery life is good. You get 10 hours of playback in the earbuds. The case is capable with a full charge of charging the earbuds 3 times, which means you get 30 hours of playback. You can connect the earbuds up to the Soundcore app. The app gives you more control over the sound coming through the earbuds. You can adjust the sound through the equalizer in the app, and so you can personalize the sound to the way you like it. You even get preset modes like bass boost, which enhances the voices from the podcast, which gives you a better clarity and a better listening experience. The app itself is free and it works with iOS and Android as well. The sound quality is pretty good out of the box. The sound is bassy, the mids are clear, and they have decent highs. And with the backup of the app, you can fine tune the sound even more. Call quality is decent as well. The background noise does start to creep in if you're in a busy environment, but it's pretty good for the price of the earbuds. If you're in the market for budget-friendly earbuds that give you customizable sound and a solid battery life, also comfortable to wear, these are definitely worth considering. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and drop us a like, and I'll catch you on the next one.